Okay, first you're going to start by grabbing a bowl that'll fit your head. From there, we're going to take a lemon and just slice that lemon in half. Use a half a lemon and squeeze all that juice into that bowl. You're going to need every drop. Now from there, you're going to add some white distilled vinegar. Make sure it is white distilled. You're going to add 4 cups of that white distilled vinegar to your lemon juice. Now apply 1 bottle of water. That would be a 12-ounce bottle of water. I usually use spring water or distilled water. You will want to put that in the microwave or warm it up a little bit because it will be a little cold if you don't. I usually start my hair off by wearing it in a bun, so that way you can just flop that bun right into the bowl. It's a lot easier than just flipping the hair and having the hair kind of go everywhere. The bun keeps it under control, so that way it just flops right into the water, making that the first thing that gets saturated. Now make sure to cover all of your hair. Once you feel that your entire head has been saturated, you're going to want to take your hair at that point and put it in a cap or even a towel. Just make sure when you put the towel on your head that you do not wrap it too tight to where you are pulling the moisture out of your hair. You're going to leave it on your head for about 15 minutes. Then don't rinse it out. Just add a little bit of more water to it to add a little more moisture to it. And then apply your shampoo. Then rinse your shampoo out, apply your conditioner as usual, and you are good to repeat this every 3 to 4 weeks to keep the brassiness down in your hair. It should also grab a lot of the mineral deposits in your hair. So it's a good way to get that heaviness out of your hair and help with any breaking as well. So again, repeat this every 3 to 4 weeks and your blondes can stay nice and bright. I hope this helps you. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and I will have more tips for you